Hello, I'm Justine Murphy with Vision Systems Design's Focus on Vision. There are a lot of exciting things happening in machine vision and imaging. Let's take a look. A mandate from the U.S. National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, which now requires all 2029 cars to include daytime and nighttime automatic braking, is fueling demand for high-performance, compact thermal cameras. According to OWL Autonomous Imaging, or OWL AI, reaching this goal will involve a design technique known as swap-C, which focuses efforts on reducing size, weight, power, and cost. Successfully achieving this combination requires returning to design principles, allowing new designs to avoid the legacies that would result in increasing costs when the physical parameters are improved. While the highest performance and most expensive thermal cameras are cooled, the smaller and less expensive uncooled cameras make up the vast majority of units in service, and that's where the focus will be. Those at OWL AI say these legacies in uncooled thermal imaging include the structure of the microbolometer array, the configuration of the readout circuitry, the methods of implementing image data corrections, and the architecture of the camera electronics. All of these must be reconsidered to achieve the goals of a small, high-performance, low-cost thermal camera. Flexiv, a vision-guided robotics company, has created an automated application to shape breaded fish into uniform fillets. The California-based company created the application originally for an Asian seafood processing company, where executives aimed to improve production throughput. They also wanted to reduce the company's dependence on human labor to process the fish. The food processing company installed 4 robots in May 2024 and began operating the solution in a production capacity that same month. It added 16 more robots later in the year, bringing the total number to 20. Before automating the process, employees shaped the fish manually. This was an exhausting task because they had to do so rapidly without pressing too tightly and potentially damaging the fish. The Flexiv machine vision system is housed in a custom enclosure mounted above the conveyor belt. Inside the enclosure is an integrated camera and embedded processing hardware. It's a plug-and-play solution that can be installed in half a day and is designed to work inline or offline. The results of Vision Systems Design's 2024 Career and Salary Survey are in, and it looks like our readers continue to find engineering a satisfying, stable, lucrative career path overall. In fact, of 117 respondents, 88 said they believe an engineering career is as promising today as it was 5 years ago. However, despite that, 71 of 102 respondents say they believe there is currently a shortage of qualified engineers in the industry. 72 of 100 respondents said their organization in particular is having difficulty finding qualified candidates. The top 3 sectors that reported recruiting difficulties were machine learning and AI, software, and systems engineering. Out of 103 respondents, 100 said they would recommend engineering as a career path to a young person looking to choose a profession. But some respondents also pointed out that people should enter the field if they truly enjoy that type of work, as engineering can be very stressful, not just because they believe engineering seems like a stable, well-compensated job. It was also suggested that new engineers consider specializing in higher demand areas such as machine vision. That's it for this edition of Focus on Vision. Be sure to like and share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Follow us on social media and visit vision-systems.com for the most up-to-date, interesting, and exciting news impacting the machine vision and imaging industry.